So we've been working on this thing off and on. We have so many projects and so many things going on with work till we can't focus on one thing consistently, can we, babe? No, it's one thing, then 10, then one thing, then 10. So we're back on this Chevrolet.
Yeah, here's those pieces I was telling you about.
Where do they go?
They go right here.
Oh, okay. Did you figure out how to get them on?
Well, I don't know if it takes what it takes.
To put them on?
Like a nut. I think a nut goes on the back of that, but I'm not real sure, babe.
To secure it?
Yeah.
Well, maybe somebody out there might know how to put chrome on something.
See?
They could help us.
See, a nut goes on the back side of that, I think.
Yeah.
And we don't happen to have none of that. And it's more like that.
Yeah.
Then the grill. You start putting the grill.
Where's the grill at?
We don't have one.
We don't have a grill for this truck?
No, we don't.
Surely we got one somewhere. Oh my. Anybody got one they want to trade? We need a grill for this truck. So.
Headlight.
Yeah.
Bezels. Marker light, headlight.
I'll have to look up a grill. They might be some in that other stuff we got, because we got a lot of square body stuff that I hadn't even posted yet.
Yeah.
And we got to go through it. I got it stored in a van. So anyway, we're trying to get that truck put back together. Big loud motorcycle. Trying to get this put back together. We got a guy, a friend, that's gonna help us with it, put it back. We just gotta get our parts rounded up. He's a painter, so might get him to throw some little paint on there too. Who knows? We need this piece also. So anyway, if you don't know anything about chrome, let us know. We're trying to put this thing back together slowly. Appreciate you watching. 706-244-4338. So is that the old support you took out of this?
Huh?
Is that the old?
Yeah, that's the old one.
Is that a core support? That's not a. What is that?
It's core support.
A core support.
Yes.
And that's the old one you took out where the chrome's all bent up.
Yeah.
Anybody need a bent piece of chrome? We got one, don't we?
Yeah. See, I can use these things because that one there, it's got plastic in them and they're broke. So
What's got plastic?
See how these are metal?
Yeah.
That one's plastic.
Oh, is that an aftermarket?
I don't know.
I
don't know if it's aftermarket or if it's come from the factory that way.
So you'll need the bolts or the things the nuts.
Oh, here we go.
You putting the nut on it?
Taking the nut off.
What?
Yeah, it's the same nut. They're just plastic.
Okay.
I don't know why in the world they make it plastic.
I don't either. I don't know. But, well, they figured out it takes nuts to go on the back of it. And what kind of nut it is now, so now the job is to get it back together. It was blue at one time, I guess.
Huh?
It was blue?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like black better.
I do too.
Stay tuned. So we just took the the chrome off of the front with the plastic things. Is that the one that was on this other? You replaced this core support or something, didn't you? What happened? Tell me.
Yeah, I had to replace the core support because somebody was driving it and they run into a stop sign, and when they hit that stop sign, it come over and it cut a hole in the hood.
Yeah.
And then it bent the core support right here.
Oh,
bent the core support right there. So
we happen to have that other core support. You took it out and changed it.
Had it, and I just changed it out.
And that chrome was on there with the plastic stuff?
Yeah. It was on the other core
one.
Support.
Yeah. Okay.
But the one that come on the truck, now this is the piece of chrome that come on the truck right here.
Yeah, that had the metal.
Right there.
Yeah. You never know what stuff people do to parts before you get them.
No, you don't. Never ever know.
So where's that go? That piece? Oh, it's on the filler panel.
Yeah.
You got a new filler panel, or you gonna use that one?
I'm gonna use that one. I'll put that back
yeah.
on.
Oh, I see. Okay. That's confusing.
All these little nuts I can use.
Oh. So we can sell that then. This filler panel here.
Yeah, we can sell that filler panel right there.
Yeah. Okay. If anybody needs it, let me know. We working tonight. We working on it. Y'all
See there?
Have some patience. Oh, the plastic breaks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't know why in the world they make it out of plastic.
I don't either. We're gonna work on her some more. So it's always a learning process with me. I understand paperwork and stuff, but I don't understand this. So he's trying to explain it to me, but he's gonna take.
Yeah. See, this one's got plastic pieces in it, and they're broke. These are broke on both sides, and I'm gonna need that because that's what holds that side piece on. So here's the pieces that come out of this one right there, both of those, and I'll take these plastic ones out. I'm just going to take all the plastic out. They're coming out anyway.
And put the metal in.
And put the metal ones back in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're still working on this 87 Chevrolet here. But, wow, some of this stuff I understand now, but it's like, what? But give me a piece of paper and I can take care of it. Ain't that right?
It's something.
Yeah, it'll be nice when we get it done.
Yeah, it will.
Yeah. We're working at it. So it had a bend in it?
Yeah.
I noticed it was crooked when you put it on there earlier.
Yeah. This top of here's
still not fitting right.
A little bit. It'll be all right. What a burst.
You beat that bottom out down there, it was bent.
Yeah. Beat that one out and got it all right. Now there's that.
Yeah, that looks all right.
Yeah.
You got this side put on already?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow. All right then. We're moving right along.
That's right, baby.
We need a grill though. We need a grill for this Chevrolet, don't we?
Yeah.
87, 85,
84.
84. Wow. Okay, 84. Of all the parts we got, we don't have a grill for it. So if you got one, let me know. We need one. Yeah. Does he think what goes down here? Is that just like that? That's the bumper part, ain't it?
Yeah,
that's where the bumper goes. You got the bumper?
Yeah. It's right here.
Oh, okay. Is it in good shape?
Yeah. It's in good shape. Right here.
Oh, okay. Do you have to replace it, or is the one that came off of it?
The one that come off of it is right here. It's bent.
Oh. How did it get bent, you reckon?
The sign. Where you hit the sign.
Oh, where you hit the sign. Oh, yeah. So we got that for sale, too. It's just bent.
Yeah, it's just bent. Somebody wants to take and work that bend out.
Yeah, somebody make a software on some of this stuff. Be all right. Otherwise,
somebody needs a bumper.
Yeah, be all right.
Have a bumper.
And that grill's broke too. That's why we don't have one, ain't it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. All right. Well, we're working. So you're putting the metal ones back in there?
Yeah.
And you what? Got
it. Wasn't as bad as what I thought.
Yeah. A project.
I made a big deal out of nothing.
Yeah, a project that you're scared to do because you don't know how to do it.
Yeah, I get intimidated bad.
Yeah. But then you
intimidated by it bad.
Take time.
If I know what I'm doing now, I'm good. But if I don't, I get all skittish.
But then you take time to look at it and you finally figure out what you're doing, right?
Yeah. Yeah, then I think, well, daggone, Dusty.
You could have done that in the first place.
Yeah.
Yep. There's our visitor. Miss Karen Mom. Came over.
What are you doing?
Did you come to help us? Oh, Lord, she brought work. That's always a bad thing. It's too late for work. But anyway, we're trying to get this metal work put in there. And we'll get it on there and show you what it looks like, won't we?
Yeah.
If it don't get dark.
If it don't get dark on us first.
So you finally got all the metal transferred over, right?
Yeah. Yeah, finally got all the little clips. I took all those little plastic clips out.
Yeah.
Took them out and I put these metal clips back in it.
That's good.
Now all I gotta do is just crimp that where it was crimped.
Yeah.
Just re-crimp it.
Yeah.
And it's ready.
You gonna sell them plastic clips? Oh, but anyway, it's getting dark on us, so we're gonna wrap her up tonight. They might, you know.
Yeah, you never know.
Hey, yeah, we got that bent piece of chrome and the plastic clips.
Yeah, boy.
We could put it together and have you something cheap, you know. We'll sell it cheap.
Oh, me, babe.
But anyway, we're gonna wrap her up tonight and call her a day, ain't we?
Call her a day. That's right, baby.
Yeah, it's been a long day.
Yes, it has.
So, anyway.
There we go.
Check with us tomorrow. We may be working on this or something different. I don't know. Tomorrow probably different, but
yeah,
we got it so far.
It changes.
We'll try to go through that. We got some S10 stuff we're going to go through tomorrow, I think. Sonoma S10, 84, 85 stuff. Grills or something. Me and Miss Karen gonna go through it if it ain't pouring down rain. Anyway, give us a call. Thanks for watching. 706-244-4338. Hit that like, hit that subscribe.